Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Charu Fashion Aura. In this video, we will discuss about the elements of fashion. The elements and principles of design are flexible and should be interpreted within the context of current fashion. Elements of design are those components which an apparel designer employs in designing the garments. A design can be defined as arrangements of lines, shapes, colors, textures that create a visual image. The principles of design are the guides that governs how elements are combined. The elements are therefore the raw materials in design that must be combined successfully. The elements of designs are line, shape, color, texture. First is color. Color is the visual element. It carries aesthetic, visual and commercial value. It can have visual, physical, and psychological effect. When we start with a given design theme, that first thing to occur to our minds is the color and texture of the fabric. Every season or now and then, a color emerges in the fashion, which is decided by the leading manufacturers, exporters, and textile experts of the fashion world. Also, while choosing a color, one must be utmost careful as color creates the first impression and hence can glorify or destroy one's appearance. Even simple silhouette may be enhanced by using effective color schemes. It is the most exciting design element as it is the first thing noticed in a garment attracted by the consumers. It is the first element to which viewers respond. It adds excitement, mood, and emotions to a design. Color has three dimensions. Hue. Hue is the name of the color. Next is value. Value is how light or dark the color is. And intensity. Intensity is how bright or dull the color is. For example, warm colors like red, orange, yellow signifies active, exciting and aggressiveness. Cool colors like blue, violet, green signifies restful, passive and calming nature. Next is line. In fashion, line refers to the direction of visual interest in a garment created by construction details such as seams, opening, pleats, gathers, tucks, stop stitching, trimmings, etc. Trims, etc. There are different types of lines. For example, vertical lines. Vertical lines lead the eye up and down the garment. These lines are used where you want to look taller because they reinforce length, height, and narrowness. Hence, it makes the wearer look taller, thinner. It gives the feeling of dignity, strength, and sophistication. Horizontal lines leads the eye across the garment. These lines are used where you want to look wider because they reinforce width and add bulk and makes the wearer look shorter and wider. It provides a feeling of restfulness and gentleness. Diagonal lines draws the eye's attention to where they are used. These lines are used to add emphasis to an area of body or to add interest to a look. Next is curved lines. Curved lines lead the eye around the garment. Curved lines can increase, emphasize, or reinforce body curves. They can counter angular body areas, give soft, youthful, gentle, charming, and graceful feeling. Next is texture. Fabric can have a variety of textures like roughness, smoothness, dullness, glossiness, stiffness, softness, all of which can affect the look of a garment or fashion accessory. The weave and texture of a fabric has an impact on the way it drapes, which in turn affect the way a garment looks when it is worn. Texture can be used all over the garment or for embellishment. All over texture refers to the weave of the garment's main fabric. For example, a sweater made with thick, heavy yarn has a chunky and bulky texture. Embellishments can create texture for a garments too. For example, a top may have a sequined, sparky area that looks different from the rest of the garment. When coming up with outfits, people often mix textures. For example, a tweed jacket could be paired with a skinny jean. Wide selection of textures can flatter the wearer's appearance. Some textures create the illusion of added weight, such as bulky or shiny fabrics. Bulky fabrics add visual size, which makes you look bigger and can disguise a flow, can overpower a small person. Smooth and flat textures make you look smaller, hides body irregularities. Shiny textures make you look bigger as they reflect light. Dull textures make you look smaller as they absorb light. Is shape or form. Shape or silhouette in a fashion is important because it affects how someone sees a fashion. Our eye perceive shapes which have an impact on how the garment is perceived. Wise selection of shapes can flatter the wearer's appearance. Shape or silhouette is used to describe the outline of the whole garment. Shapes can be introduced into dresses structurally by means of pockets, yokes, collars, necklines, and decoratively with the help of patterns on the fabrics like trims and other means of decorative work such as cut work. Forms are introduced structurally into garments through incorporation of puff sleeves, skirts, lehengas, and formal gents suit. Some general guidelines to be followed in introducing the above are: there should be harmony between various proportions and with the whole garment. The shape should not be either too concealing or revealing, but should help the highlight the desirable features of the wearer's shapes. Try to flatter good features and hide less attractive features. For example, full wide shapes make you look bigger, trim or compact silhouettes make you look smaller, straight tubular shapes make you look taller, form fitting clothes reveal any unattractive contour, should only be worn by figures that are near perfect. I hope you find the video informative. If there are any queries or doubt, please put them out in the comment section below. And till then, take care. Bye bye.